Right, welcome to the channel. Here we have a Kia Rio Mark 3 2014 and the gear linkage cables are snapped. And here's what we need to replace. Now listen very carefully, there are two types of these cables. The 1.2 is about 2 inches shorter than the 1.25. This is 1.25, so these ones are a little bit longer, but the 1.2 is shorter. Think of that when you get it. Now to remove this, you've got to remove the whole dash, which is a real pain in the arse. You have to remove the whole dashboard. Pull all of this forward just to get to the two bolts which are this side of the bulkhead. These two nuts are here and here. You can't get to them unless you remove the whole dash, because all of this is butted right up against it and there's no way of actually doing that. So you have to remove everything. As you can see, all the plastics are all in the back here, which is a real pain. I'll just show you under the bonnet what you got to do as well. So this is meant to be a 7.5 hour job. It's just starting to rain. Lovely. Let me just get the bonnet up. Right, got to move all the scuttle panel, remove all of this out of the way because there's two bolts there you've got to undo. You've got to undo the matrix pipes and the aircon pipes, then it will pull forward. Right, here's a better view for you. They are. Try and zoom in down there. Hang on. There. Those two bolts there. Right, as you can see, I've got all the dash mainly back in now. Got to put the centre console back in there, but I want to give it a clean first to clean around the car bits, because this car's always going to be for sale. Yeah, it's quite a big job this is, but the best thing about it is all the screws are the same and all the nuts and bolts are the same size, so that's the best thing about it. And all of this stuff is just clip on, push it on, pull it off. There's no screws on this or anything. What else can I say about it really? Try and help anyone out doing it. Yeah, we just, on the actual frame under here, there's two big pins, locating pins, about as long as my finger there and there. All we did was just pull it past this pin, lift it up and put a block of wood under the heater just to lift it up so we could get the cables out. So we didn't have to pull the whole thing out, just about this much so we could get there, undo those two nuts. Yeah, that's it. Well, if you're doing this job, good luck, and I hope my video sort of helped you out a little bit. Right, let me finish off doing this, and thanks for watching.